Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2021, on a 21 plate Mazda 2 SE-L Navigation. This is the 1.5 petrol with a 6-speed manual gearbox and 5 doors, finished in Snowflake white, and it's covered just 24,000 miles. So we'll have a good walk around of this very good looking Mazda 2, one of our favourite 5-door hatchbacks that we get in here at Bowen's. Really keen on these. Excellent looking little cars, very reliable, loads of specification. They just tick a lot of boxes in our opinion. This is a May 2021 registered car. It's had just the one private owner from brand new, so it's not been a lease car or a hire car, it's privately owned. 24,000 miles just. We've got these lovely grey 15-inch alloy wheels that go very nicely with the Snowflake white. Good service history, serviced 3 times, so bang up to speed, serviced every year. £190 a year to tax. 6-speed manual gearbox with 90 brake horsepower. Well over 50 miles to the gallon according to Mazda on a combined run. It has got a mild hybrid system, so you just fill it up with petrol as normal, no plug-in or anything like that, but it has a little hybrid system on the alternator, which just helps with its fuel consumption. Nice low insurance group, and this is the SE-L Navigation, so it's got a really nice level of spec. As we have a look inside, cloth interior that's in really good shape. The charcoal and brown combination, I think it looks really smart. Lovely condition throughout. Remote central locking does come supplied with 2 remote keys. All the door cards are in good shape. You've got 4 electric windows, electronically adjustable and power folding door mirrors. It's got its original Mazda 2 carpet mats. Start-stop facility which you can switch off. It's got lane assist. Up onto the steering wheel, which is again in really good shape. You've got your cruise control. You've got your Bluetooth and your radio controls. Automatic lights. There's also a push-button start as well. Then down below we've got a couple of cup holders, bit of storage at the back, manual handbrake. And then we've got a 6-speed manual gearbox. This is your little iDrive system, which controls the screen up above, which we'll come to in a second. In the glove box we've got all your handbooks, and then down below we've got a bit of storage, grippy storage, and then you've got 2 USBs, auxiliary, 12-volt socket, CD player above. Climatic air conditioning as we make our way up, so it's a really nice, easy to use setup. I like this finish across the dashboard. Push button to start, so we will start the car up, so as long as you've got the keys about you, foot on the clutch, and away we go. It's a timing chain engine, so there's no cam belt to worry about replacing. We've just ticked 24,000 miles, and we've got getting on for a full tank of fuel as well, which doesn't happen very often. And then you control your iDrive system through this little knob here, so you've got DAB digital radio. This does have sat nav built in as well, which is a nice touch. And parking sensors at the back, and you do get a parking pilot that comes up on there as well. So it's a really nice place to be, very easy to use. Typically Japanese, really. 5-door practicality. Into the rear again, you've got your carpet mats in the back, electric windows in the rear as well, with 3 headrests, 3 proper seat belts. Of course you get the ISOFIX for the child seats as well. So a comfortable 5-seater. Ignore that, that is that's the van for the lunch. So, makes me hungry. I will hurry up with this. You've got those parking sensors across the rear bumper there, like I say. Parcel shelf, split folding rear seats, and then a really good size boot space. Very usable day to day. Really nice and clean and tidy as well. It's a very nice example. In the back you've got your locking wheel nuts and all your other bits and bobs. So there we have it. May 2021 Mazda 2 SE-L Navigation. It's the 1.5 petrol with a 6-speed manual gearbox. 24,000 miles from one private owner with a full service history. Sat-nav, cruise control, parking sensors, DAB radio, all the nice bits. Finance is available from just less than £200 a month based on a 10% deposit, and the car will come supplied with an MOT until November of next year, along with 2 keys and our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And we do work on an appointment-only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via our email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk, and for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Lovely example, just over 3 years old, ready to rock and roll. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next.